James just hopped along, and basically he's smart as well, because he jumped in and think, I'll ride the wave, and I'm just gonna, do you get what I'm trying to say to you? So yeah, I'd say Eddie. What about yourself? And no, Eddie as well, because James has got a bigger audience than him. Yeah. So, but James still has a bigger audience in terms of followers collectively across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. But
Okay, fair enough.
So Eddie's not profited monetarily, but from a boost in engagement wise.
Yeah.
However, James has also benefited because he got onto Eddie early. Like, he grilled one of his videos. That's how it all started. Because James grilled one of his videos. You know them reaction videos where, so he had it in a corner and he just grilled him in it and just said it was chatting shit. And that is basically how the back and forth started. But James the ones that started it with a bigger audience. So really, like, James knew
that 50 Cent sending for a new
rapper, yeah. So it's like, he's already got an audience, but I'm going to ride this wave because it's going to get my audience up, even though my audience is bigger than yours. But I still boost up Eddie at the same time. Then Eddie's continued it. And obviously Eddie's rise is just going like that. Obviously James is James now, and it's at some point it slows down. So it's like, they kind of benefit from each other, but I think Eddie got the best out of it.
Yeah, 100%, man. Like the growth has been crazy, really and truly, man. But I think, yeah, that's why I'd attest to it, man. Just being authentic, was it your niche, having an enemy, and then also there's some, we've spoken to people on Eddie's team that was, kind of helping him actually with the content. And there's some rules to, marketing online and your videos. And I think that is where a lot of coaches are clueless.